Hey guys, it's your girl Abby. I'm back with another video for you guys today. If you're brand new to my channel, thanks so much for tuning in with me today, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. All my Instagram details are down below, so definitely hit me up on Instagram. So today's video is how I make my keto bread, and we're just gonna jump right into that video and get you guys all the details. First, you wanna grease your parchment paper and pan, and also preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After doing that, you want to get your egg whites that you already separated. These are 6 egg whites already separated. You're going to add your half teaspoon of cream of tartar to that. Once you add your cream of tartar, you want to get your hand mixer, or if you have the standalone mixer, that would be great because you will be mixing these two ingredients for about 5 to 8 minutes. I think I did mine about 7 or so minutes, but you will be mixing this for a little bit until you get the desired texture that you want. So stay tuned with me, guys, as we go ahead and mix up these two ingredients. Okay, guys, so at this point, I've been mixing it for about 5 to 8 minutes. This is how it should look after mixing it for that time. After mixing it for this amount of time, you should be able to make firm peaks with a spoon or a spatula or the mixer like I'm using in the batter. Once you are able to make those firm peaks, that means it is good and ready. You can go ahead and put that to the side to then go ahead to the next step. So next step, you get another clean bowl. You want to pour your 6 egg yolks in there. And at this point, you're just going to mix all the remaining ingredients together. Right, so I'm just cleaning out that bowl, getting all the yolk. Then you're going to put in your 1.5 cups of almond flour. This is a quarter teaspoon of salt, but you can use a half teaspoon. This is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And next up we have a quarter cup of, this is salted melted butter, hence the reason I only used a quarter teaspoon of salt in this recipe. If I use regular unsalted butter, I would use half teaspoon. You can add maybe some garlic powder or stuff like that if you wish. Then you're going to use your mixer and just completely mix this all together. You want to make sure the batter is completely mixed well together. Okay guys, so we're all mixed in now with the hand mixer, and this is what the mixture should look like once you're done. You're then going to take your egg mixture from earlier and you're going to fold it into your batter, a third of that mixture at a time. You're going to do it by hand with a spatula. Just want to take your time and slowly mix this in. Sometimes I use the hand mixer at a very low setting to get this done, to do it faster. But once you've mixed in all the egg mixture, this is what it would look like. All creamy and nice and ready to go into our greased pan. Your oven should have already been preheated to 375 degrees. So you're just going to go ahead at this point and pour the mixture into our greased pan so we can put it into the oven. Okay, I've got to get it all in the pan. I'll play some music for you guys. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, enough of the fun. We're all put into the pan. So you just want to pop this into the oven for 30 minutes or until you stick a toothpick or a knife in it and it comes out clean. I think mine was done in about 27 minutes. So depending on your oven, it may be quicker than the 30 minutes. You just want to keep an eye out. But at this point, I'm just making sure the batter's in all corners off the pan to make sure it actually comes out and looks like an actual loaf of bread. I'm just cleaning up the sides of the pan so we can go ahead and pop it into the oven right now. So this is how it comes out looking, this first few minutes of it coming out. You do want to allow it to sit and cool for 30 minutes before you start slicing it. So after waiting about 30 minutes, I did go ahead and slice it just so you guys can see the texture of my lovely yummy bread. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is my keto bread. So for this part, guys, I just dropped in all the ingredients and directions for you guys to make note of. I will be dropping it in the comment section down below as well. But thanks so much for you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, guys. Until next time. Later.